Hey, this is your friend Ashish from Training with Ashish Janiani, and today I'm going to speak to you about 3 parts to your decision making workout. Most people struggle with making a decision because they don't know if it's the right one or not. So I decided to break it down into 3 parts, just like a workout, because I think making a decision is exactly like how I work out. So here it is for you. I make the decision same way. The first part of your workout, your decision making workout, is having a warm up. What is a warm up? A warm up is just about getting all that data in that you're getting from different places. Your managers are telling you something, your family is telling you something, your friends are telling you something, whatever the case may be. Just take it in. Don't worry too much about it. It's just a warm up before you start your workout. It's important to collect that data, right? Number 2, wait for me. Let me pick this up for you, okay? The second part is a very important part because that is the real heavy workout that you do. It is the intense time where you break away from everybody else and you focus on that data with all the mind power that you have, just the way you put in the physical power to have a heavy workout, so that you can see what kind of a decision are you coming to. Number 3, wait one more second, is a cool down. Okay, when you have collected the data, best researchers tell us that you move away from that decision for a while. Watch a movie, go for a walk, do something else which has nothing to do with that decision, so that your mind can get fresh, because when it gets fresh, some different idea hits it, which is very important. So cool down. Don't think about that for a while. A while can be a day, it can be a week based on the intensity of the decision. And that's how you make the best decision. The bonus tip is go with your gut. Okay, your gut, after doing these 3 steps, will tell you what is the right decision. Most of your decisions will fail, but it's the 2% decisions that you make in your life which will give you super success. Share it with people who need this video, especially your boss if you have one. I will speak to you soon. Bye bye.